Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cash out $500 free on Cash App. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App on your device. Make sure your account is already set up and linked to a bank account or debit card. You also need to have at least $500 available in your Cash App balance before you can cash it out. Then, tap on Money or Banking tab at the bottom left corner. Here, you'll see your current Cash App balance. To transfer money to your bank account, tap the Cash Out button. On the next screen, choose the amount you want to withdraw. You can use the slider or tap the amount field and enter $500 manually for a more precise amount. Once you've entered the amount, tap Cash Out. Next, you'll be asked to choose your transfer speed. Select Standard Deposit if you want a free transfer, which usually arrives within 1-3 business days. If you need the money immediately, you can choose Instant Deposit, but keep in mind that Cash App charges a fee for instant transfers. After selecting your preferred transfer option, confirm the transaction using your device's security method, such as Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once the transaction is confirmed, the money will begin transferring to your linked bank account. You can tap Done to return to the home screen. If you'd like to check the status of your withdrawal, open the Activity tab. Here, you'll see the cash out transaction along with its current status and the estimated deposit date. And that's it. So that's basically how you can cash out $500 free on Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.